Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, everybody is coming. Come. And yeah, welcome. Yeah. Any new questions could you get from yesterday's discussions online?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please tell me what is the question?
Just give me a minute, sir.
Yeah,
Hello.
yeah. Please come.
Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, you're audible.
Sir, is my videos clear, sir? Because I joined from another system.
Yeah, it is clear. It is clear.
Okay.
You are
Okay.
speaking clearly. Now, Pallavi, you speak.
About video, sir. I am asking about video, sir.
Video is okay.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir. Good
sir.
evening, sir.
Good evening. Of course, among the videos, Lakan's video is very clear, good lighting. And next is our Pallavi, next is Shubham, and sorry, next is Sachin, next is Shubham, and last is mine.
Sir,
Don't
now
worry.
lighting is good.
Now here, Lakan Rathod writing is good now. Shubham also better.
Now
And
better.
Actually, I joined with the mobiles.
Oh, Pallavi is also okay. You are also okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir, actually my GD is at 5:30 p.m. So
Today.
it will be dark. No, on 20, and
Yeah.
it will be dark. So this much light is sufficient, no?
This much light is okay. If this light is there, this will be sufficient. You must have power. Power, if it is there, no problem. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now take up what is the topic you would like to take up for discussion, because you know, I don't have to tell anything because you know how to go about in the GD. Yesterday, Pallavi, did you see that video that I posted in YouTube?
Yes, sir.
And both of you, yourself, myself, and also our Sachin, it was very good. It has come very well. Good. Yeah.
Sir,
Prajwal.
on the basis of yesterday and today's experience,
Yeah.
many topics are getting repeated. Means it's high probability that we get a repeated topic.
Yeah, it will be repeated.
Yes, sir.
That is why.
Even sir, one person from our group, Tanmay, as we know, he participated in GD today. He also got the same topic. Means it was a repeated topic.
What was the topic?
The topic was the Mr. A is a good employee of the year, and the second, who is a partner of your company, who had done 30% stake in your company. There is the conflict between these two, and you are the manager. How you handle that situation?
Was he selected in the GD round?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
He initiated the GD.
Congratulations.
And
Now, very
Yes,
good. Sachin, you take
Yeah.
the lead
Yes.
and you take the lead and give the topic to the group, because I don't
Okay,
have
sir.
the topic with me. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Here's the one topic. I don't know. Is it cover or no? So I am ready. Okay. So you are a team leader, and there are 10 members in your team working on a major project in a multinational company. Mr. A, one of the team members, is quite aggressive in his communication.
That we yesterday we discussed that point. Anyhow, we can again rediscuss.
sir, still we like to hear your opinion on that particular topic.
See, actually, there are different ways in which this problem can be approached. I think one of the candidates yesterday told that some Sri Lekha, she looked at it differently, that the employee is good, so there is nothing wrong in his being aggressive. We have to find out why he is aggressive, and if we can redress that grievance, we should go ahead with that. That is one stand. My stand is, I consider him as a disturbance for the group. So I will try to caution him by calling him separately and telling him that you cannot afford to do like this because it is affecting the harmony of the group. So that is what I thought. That is my way of looking at it. So give some other topic. If you have some other topic, give.
Yes, sir. I had an
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Yeah.
I have posted in chat one topic, sir.
Acha, you have posted in our
chat.
That means
is it a topic which were given to any candidate, Lakan? Is it a repetitive topic?
This is a repeated topic.
No. This one not repetitive.
So
Means
I
today
think we
if
should go
someone
with the repetitive topic.
yes, we should,
If we try to on new, it will be again confusion for us.
because there is a high probability that topic may get repeat, and that will give an advantage over others.
Somebody has given, this is RRB, Samba Siba, yeah. I am selected in GD. Congratulations. Hello.
Congratulations to you.
Yeah, just now we are receiving information. Samba Siva has been selected.
He was in the first meeting, sir.
Yeah.
When
You
we
know,
meet at the first time.
yeah, no, Samba Siva is there from the first time. And you
Yes,
know,
yes.
he was struggling to speak. He was struggling to
Yes, sir.
speak. Yeah. I will ask him to come on Zoom. Okay. Okay. I'll
Sir,
ask
I
him
have
to-
one more topic.
Yeah.
Sir,
Tell me.
just give. Okay, 1 minute, sir.
Just a minute. I will just tell one boy that he cannot come because I have to give him all the particulars. Let him join 8 o'clock meeting. I will tell him. And
Sir,
then,
you are the HR of you are the HR manager responsible for
Prajwal,
timely
one-
hiring in ABC.
as you join 8 o'clock meeting, the link is given in that group, federal group. Okay. In the Federal Bank group. Otherwise, you note one thing, you note these particulars. 37, you come to Zoom. Do you have Zoom app with you? 374 351. Quick. Running short of time. $5074. Passcode is number 8. 8 capital V, capital N, small letter Q, capital letter N, capital letter E. 8 V N Q N E, but Q is small letter. Thank you. Try if you can come. Just observe for a few minutes. Yes. Yeah. No, you don't. You don't reveal your face. You put what is that? You don't have video. No problem. It is for you to decide. So, Zoom, Baba, Zoom. See, there is a problem. So many
Yes,
new
sir.
boys are coming. Yeah. Sorry. What
So
is the
topic
topic?
is- You are an HR manager responsible for timely hiring in ABC company, and you are initiated a recruitment process for hiring an operational manager responsible for end-to-end production cycle. Background verification report of the selected candidate is showing negative comments, and initiating another recruitment process may involve time and cost. You
That's
got
all.
it, sir? That was the topic.
That is the topic. Acha, acha. You are an HR manager, and
Yeah.
please tell kindly slowly. You are
Yes,
HR.
sir. I will go. I will go line by line.
Yeah.
You are an HR manager responsible for timely hiring ABC company, and you are you initiated a recruitment process for hiring operational manager responsible for end-to-end production cycle. Background verification report of the selected candidate is showing negative comments, and initiating another recruitment process may involve time and cost.
Yeah.
Got it, sir?
Yeah. Now, what is the strategy you are going to adopt?
Yes.
Yeah, very good. This is the very same process my daughter is doing here. Selection for people. Yeah, that's right. Now tell me, how are you going to handle this? The topic is open for you to discuss. Please go ahead.
Very good evening to everyone. I am Sachin. I am glad to start this discussion. It's a very thought-provoking topic that we have in the dilemma of selecting a candidate, and according to his past experience. So according to me, I am the HR manager here. So the qualities of the HR manager is that the duty of the HR manager is that he should identify the various ideal points in the candidate. So first of all, it will be a negative aspect for me that his past experience is not good. So it will be a negative point for me. I will not initially go to recruit him, but at the same time, I may go to I may go in the past of that. Is it a very hampering the activities in the future of my company? So I will go and think about the candidate, but initially I will not going to recruit him.
Yeah, good. Next, quick,
Yes,
quick.
Man,
Yeah,
I'm completely
I
agree with
I agree
Sachin.
with
As
Sachin that
a HR manager, I think if the selected candidate has some negative record, we should opt the option for interview. And if it is costing more for the company, I think there are some tools and the strategies which we can use. And the option is online interview processing. That will save companies cost also, and we will get to hire a good person for that position.
Okay, the net result,
I
you are,
agree with
you are not going
Sachin
to
and
take it.
Pallavi.
Yeah. Continue.
Yeah, I agree with Sachin. I agree with Sachin and Pallavi's thought that we should not hire a person whose character is negative, as because of that the cost will increase. But we should hire a person who has ability and have good character, and because of this, he will be an asset for a company as compared to the person who has a negative background will be liability for a company. We can afford costly process, but we cannot afford a person who is not capable for that job.
Good.
No, Shubham, I want to just add one point. We cannot go for the costly. So yes, as a manager, at the same time, we have to think about the cost also. We cannot just go to not hiring the person, and at the same time we go for the high costing processes. We shouldn't. We
I'm also
cannot do that.
partially
So,
agree.
hello,
I'm also
Sachin.
partially agree with Shubham, as he told that as an HR manager, I will go for an re-verification of that particular negative comments, what it was and its authenticity. If I found it is truth somewhat trustworthiness, then I will try to go with the second option for the hiring, where I will try to reduce cost and time by using various means.
Yeah, I partially
Friends,
disagree with Sachin that we should not increase the cost, but in a long term of our company's journey, a good person will be an asset. But if we hire the person which is negative character, it will in long term it will hamper the growth of our company.
Yes,
We should
I
should try to.
I agree
am
with
not
all of
saying
you
that
guys
we are
because
going to
if
agree. We are going
we
to
have
recruit that
yes,
person.
yes.
I am saying that just
Just a minute, friend.
we should think
Sachin,
at the
Sachin.
same time. Yes.
Sachin, what is the meaning of background verification? We have converted a background verification to check that person's thing only. If it's showing the negative response, then there is no need to again allocate a resource to check
No.
again.
I am just countering the statement of Shubham. Shubham said that at the same time we will not think about the person, and at the same time we are going to cope up with the high costing processes. It is not a
Yeah,
golden mean. At the same time we should do something that the cost will be low, and at the same time the person will not be in our company.
Yeah,
but
I
Sachin,
agree with
the
Sachin
person is
that we
not
should try to
ethically.
reduce
Yeah.
the cost of the recruitment in second time. I
That is
agree
why
with
I'm saying the alternative like online video interview process will be
Yes.
beneficial for us.
yes.
Yeah.
I
Definitely
agree with
beneficial.
Pallavi.
Because what happens in a general life, if we compare to the online interviews and the offline interviews, there are lots of the time and lots of energy the employee and the employer had gained. So if we put the points of the Pallavi, what he said, we can definitely manage the online interviews for this candidate.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that will speed up the process
Friends,
also.
again one point, friends. If we hire that person, and it will be in the future, it will be a bad impression for the company that the person the
Yes.
verification doesn't matter. So it may be a call in the people that in this company verification doesn't matter. We can go through this. It will be a bad impression for the company.
Yes, I agree with
Yes,
Sachin.
right.
It will be negative impact on the company's name. So we should
Yeah.
take the steps to improve this.
Yeah.
Okay,
And the
friends.
steps should be according to Pallavi. The steps should be in the online interview.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Yeah, we can
she
also,
suggests our conducting an online interview and trying to satisfy ourselves. But Pallavi, you can also add, even after conducting such an interview, we are convinced that he is not deserving it. We should not recruit him. But I
Yes.
think the way the question has been worded, I am tempted to think they want us to
Yes.
consider in favor of appointment. The wording says, because the expenditure for conducting another interview will be very high, time also
Yes.
will be too many days. So instead, but probably they are suggesting us to accept it. While we can accept that stand of conducting another interview and find out whether we can accommodate, we should also reserve the point. If he is not worth, we need not recruit. That point, first way, Sachin was good. In fact, I will go with Sachin's observation. It is good for a company not to appoint a person who is not suitable for us. The other term, the wordings of the question is such that he has not passed the background verification. So now
Yes.
you want to do one more background verification to find out whether he will fit in. It is okay. But after that, you can also add, if he is not worth it, you should not take.
But sir, re-verification will also take time and cost, na, sir.
Yeah, true.
If we go for
I know that is the order of the day. Now very tough. Now in America, what is that? Accenture is telling everybody should have that vaccination. If there is no vaccination made, he will not be eligible for employment. And everybody should give a certificate that he has been vaccinated. All the people who are recruiting. So much tight the situation, and we are running short of time. So we can have a via media approach in this. Since it may take a longer time for recruitment, the one strategy we can adopt is to recruit him temporarily, find out how he is progressing, how he is useful, and after some time, if he is not found useful, he can be fired. Because in this processes, firing is not a big issue. You can be sent out anytime. There's the thing. This is my way of answering. Pallavi, I would like you to react on this. Pallavi, please
Yes,
react.
sir.
Yeah, react. You don't have to
Um,
agree just because I am telling. Tell whatever comes to your mind. All these exercises are done to create our ability to talk only, improve our communication ability. Please talk.
Sir, as you said, if there is a time issue and a cost issue, so we can recheck that candidate's um, uh, past record, and if he is still unable to fulfill the condition, then we can fire him
Right. Good.
in
Uh,
only
sir-
that condition.
Yeah. No,
Sir.
but one thing I am really encouraged by the observation that Sambashiva has been selected. He was one of the candidates who was finding it very difficult to communicate in English initially from Andhra Pradesh or Telangana. But keeping that in mind, most of us must be able to clear this thing. Sachin is very good. But Sachin, only thing is be careful you are not talking more, or you are not
Okay.
creating, you make it in different levels, half a minute, 1 minute, like that.
Okay, sir.
Sir, can we recruit that person for a temporary basis if we have no other option?
That is what I am suggesting. I don't know whether it is allowable, but as in a GD, we can always say whether it is. You can also add one more rider. If it is allowable to recruit temporarily, we can recruit. समझ गया? So that,
Yes, sir.
none of us know the exact rules. None of us know the exact level of the climate, or say the corporate atmosphere. But still, some ifs, buts we can. Normally, I recommend not using ifs, buts in interviews. But here in GD, we have to use it. I hope
Because of the assumptions.
assumptions. Nothing is known. I think this is the right approach. So I am, but the Federal Bank may not worry about what you are telling is right or wrong, unless it is totally wrong. So they may only verify whether you have communication ability, in that whether you can talk comfortably to customers, explaining about deposit schemes. That's all. Okay, good.
Sir, I want to mention here one more thing. Today they changed their pattern. means Tanmay's experience was they have given a 30 second to every participant to
See?
to put his opinion,
Ah,
and then GD start.
yeah, this is
And
what
there was no chaos.
this is what I said initially. First time when I met you all, I told like that only. You have to talk for 1 minute. Now they have reduced to 30 seconds. So we can adopt such a strategy so that the recording also will be good. Shall I ask Priti Tonj to speak something on this point? Priti Tonj from
Priti
Maharashtra.
Tonge.
Tonge, sorry. Tonge, yeah. You're from which place? Maharashtra? Priti.
From Maharashtra, sir.
I think she has.
Her mic is not.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please speak. Give your views. So now, hereafter, our strategy will be the person who is named will speak so that it will be clear. Yeah, Priti.
Okay, sir.
Preeti Tonge.
Yeah. Can you speak what you have in mind after hearing us, or you would like to go for the next topic?
Sir, go for next topic.
I know. The way you are hesitating. Yeah, Lakan, Yam.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, Jishnu, come on, please talk.
Sir, I am a late joinee, sir. I would also like to participate in this. So
Please
from
tell
next
me.
topic.
You are from next topic. You are from which place?
Sir, I am from Coimbatore, but my native is Kerala, sir.
Acha, acha. You only talked to me just a few minutes back in WhatsApp, na?
Yes, sir. I have
Okay.
messaged you in
Yeah,
WhatsApp and Telegram also.
Very good. No problem.
And Sachin brother shared the details of this meeting. So
Excellent. Credit
thank
goes
you.
to him. Credit goes to him. Realizing
Yeah.
that only I made Sachin one of the admins of this group. You
Yes,
know,
thank you.
Sachin, you are admin of our group.
No, sir, I was not.
You don't know. You don't
no,
know.
sir.
I have made
No,
some
sir.
six admins I have made. Very good.
Okay, sir.
Priti is not talking. Pallavi talked. Shubham talked. Nikhil, would you like to add some more points?
Actually, there are some network issues here, so I wouldn't hear. I can't hear what's happening in meeting.
No, but tomorrow, if you are going to have it in the interview date like this, you'll be, it will be costing your future. So better go to a browsing center where you have UPS and all. There is no problem for power connection. Please go and
Yes,
approach that place. Please don't hesitate
Definitely.
about spending 100 rupees or so. Go and take
Yes.
the interview there. Okay, please.
Yes, definitely, sir.
Very
Yeah.
good. Otherwise, all of you talk nicely. This person has not talked. 8 ECA 5006. Would you like to talk ECA? ECA. 8 ECA, would you like to talk? Or LM, would you like to talk? Otherwise, I
Sir,
would.
the Lakhan is not able to unmute himself. He's
Lak-
saying in the chat that he is not able to unmute.
Because his voice is.
No, sir, you can unmute him. I think you can unmute.
Lakhan, I am asking him to unmute. He is not unmuting.
But he is not able to. There is system glitch
Some problem.
from his side. Yes.
Oh, sorry. Maybe
Sir,
technical issue.
I want your suggestion, sir.
Tell me.
Tomorrow I am going to face my GD.
Tomorrow, very good. I wish
Yes,
you
sir.
should get
And
some.
yes, sir. I feel little bit stress and anxiety. Why I don't know, but sir,
No anxiety. Only problem with you, Prajwal, is that you are talking too much because you have lot of experience. You imagine yourself to the level of, say, what is that girl's name? One who was here, up that level. Yeah, of that level, and be like a child, Pallavi level, and talk from that angle only. Imagine you don't know many things to which you have been kept informed. Don't bring extra reasons for your own. That is, do not
Yes.
make extra assumptions. Go with the assumptions given only. Okay,
Okay, sir.
Prajwal,
Yes,
you will do well. Sachin, you give the next topic to Prajwal. Let him initiate.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I made a strategy that I am not going to initiate. I will enter at second or third position, and after that, trying to support or participate in a GD, and after that, we'll try to conclude.
No, but here they have today. Some of you told me that everybody has to speak for 30 seconds.
That was not an issue. I will.
Come on, please give 30 seconds for everybody.
Sir, according to me, sir, most of the topics were covered. If anyone have the topic other than this,
Then I will
you
give
can.
one. I will give one topic, simple topic.
Yes, sir.
Digitalization in banking is harmful. Digitalization in banking is harmful. It is not beneficial. This is my statement. Maybe right or wrong. It will be started by Prajwal. Prajwal, start.
Yes, sir. Good evening, friends. Today's topic is digitalization harmful for us, but I'm not completely agree with this. Every side has two coins. When we see, we cannot tolerate how digitalization transform our lives. We can do banking from our home, and it has a different impact that the vacancies and employment goes declining, but with this it gives a freedom that we can do banking from our home as well.
Good. Next person.
Yes, sir. I'm agree partially, but that the digital. Yes, I'm completely agree.
Sachin, sorry, Sachin. Sir,
Yes, yes.
I'm trying to precise. Means I'm trying to control myself, sir. Was it good? Okay, or
No, you told nicely. You told nicely.
Thank you.
You did not tell wrongly. You did not give any problem. You told nicely. Come on. Start next. Who would like to come
Yes.
next?
Yes, sir.
Sachin,
I'm
regulate.
Sachin, sir. I would like to put a
Yeah.
point that digitalization is not harmful for us. First of all, we should know that what is digitalization. Digitalization is nothing but the use of debit card and net banking, etc. things in the for the purpose of for the sake of banking. So, as compared to traditional one, most of the time for banking, the people have to be in the queue for just a small amount of withdrawal. And by using this net banking and the debit cards and credit cards, they don't need to be in the queue. They can just use their mobile for these things. So in this sense, I think the digitalization is a very useful tool for such a 21st century.
Excellent. Why I am using on some other not topics that are not in the interview, because even if it is put in YouTube, nobody can have any objection. We are talking something else. That is why the object of this session is to get everybody an opportunity to communicate in English. Shubham Gupta, please speak.
Yeah, I agree with Sachin that digitalization is helping the persons and it will ease the banking sector with increasing their services and their customer base. As the example of digital payments, or as Sachin gave the example of debit card and credit card, we have a ease of using the banking services at any place at our will. We don't have to wait for the banking hours to use the banking services. So digitalization is helping the customers and
Stop. With that, because half a minute only is the time given. So you should know.
Sir, I would like to
Yeah.
continue with that,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah.
As my dear friend Shubham Gupta and Sachin Gaikwad referred that this digitalization has so many advantages, but I beg to differ that it also has so many disadvantages. The main thing that users face is that the uncertainty of the money which is being transferred to the online, especially when we are using like PhonePe, Paytms, and Google Pays. There are many chances that the payments get stuck between the bank, the receiver's bank and the sender's bank. So it takes many days to receive the amount and to send the amount. Even though when we contact the branches also, sometimes the bank may cannot do that or help us in any way because these are like third-party platforms. So I think there must be certain regulations to control this and to give assurance to the person.
Sufficient. Now,
I want to counter this statement, sir.
Yeah.
My friend Jishnu put a light on the disadvantage in accordance to time factor. So, but the time factor is that it is a very less than the traditional methods in the queue. Okay, so and this happenings is only 1 to 2% in a month or in a year, and it is not. I don't think it is. It will be a reason to say that the digitalization is harmful for us. It will not be a reason.
Anytime it may stop after 10 minutes. Then again you come back in the same one. We can stay for another say 20-25 minutes. Okay, please.
Okay.
Now Nikhil, please speak.
Yes. Good evening, everyone. Actually, there are two sides of the digitalization in banking, positive also negative. I am favoring positive because if we thought about the pandemic situation, the people and bank also need digitalization because the people couldn't get in to visit banks in pandemic. So the bank and people needs the digitalization because there is some e-KYCs and e-markets are there. So I am favoring the digitalization.
Very
Thank you.
good.
That's all
Good.
about myself.
Yeah, Lakan Rathod.
Yes, sir. I wanted to favor that digitalization will be have two sides. It will be depend on the customer type. If a customer is literate one, then it's good for him. And also the target of area in which we are using it. In rural areas, there have no lights or electricity. Then in that area, the digitalization will be here. And it's very easy to fraud the rural people. So there are many cases of phishing were occurring due to that.
Mm.
Yes.
Very good. Next. Pallavi.
Yes, sir. Though there are certain disadvantages of digitalization in banking, but according to me, there are more advantages because first of all, digitalization reduces human error, and these things benefits for the customer as we and also the bank because bank get loyalty of that customer, and that is why number of customer get increased. Also, digitalization is 24/7 a service, so customer can use it in accordance with his time and as per their convenience. And digitalization is paperless, so it is also environment friendly.
Excellent. Good. Sufficient. Prajwal, you talked or not? Please on this point.
No, sir. I am noting the points. Means
No, please
if
talk.
that,
Please talk. Talk on this point.
yeah, sir.
Or
I want to conclude here.
yeah, no, not conclude. Lakan is there. Lakan, did you talk?
Lakan talk.
Lakan is not able to
And
come
what
on.
is, sir?
Lakan is not coming.
Which one?
Lakan.
I am, sir.
Lakan, not Rathod. Simple Lakan. LM. No problem. You conclude. Prajwal, you conclude. Prajwal.
He's saying in the chat that
Yeah,
he's
Prajwal.
saying in the chat that he's not able to unmute himself.
I don't know. Some problem.
sir.
Next time when it comes, listen. And if this stops, we will start again in the same Zoom ID after half a minute or so. Yeah, Prajwal, start,
sir.
complete, conclude.
Yes, sir. I'm going.
Briefly,
after-
briefly. You have to tell briefly. Hmm.
After hearing both sides of that particular topic, we reach on that the conclusion. Even if have some disadvantages, there are we find more advantages in pandemic as well as pandemic situation, as well as Pallavi raised the point like ecosystem eco-friendliness. So we should go with the digital languages.
Very good. Jishnu, add some point.
As my dear friend Prajwal Chavan said that there are many advantages in that, but one thing we should be keeping in mind that there are certain negativities to the digitalization where their phishing attack can be happen, where the hackers can loot the money. So one thing I would suggest that we should be, I mean, the government should implement proper regulations on how much the security is being offered for this money during the online transaction, and should only approve the apps applications which is under the rules of RBI.
Very
And
good.
there should
Very
be
good.
proper awareness
No,
in the
no.
areas where
Stop,
the
stop, stop.
phishing apps are.
Stop. You are talking too much. You must talk
Okay.
briefly only. And Jishnu
Yes,
is
sir, yes.
talking more because he is coming from an area where there has been lot of problems recently. Many
Yeah.
people from Pollachi have been deceived of more than lakhs of
Yes,
rupees.
sir.
One
Exactly.
one girl has committed suicide because of that, school teacher harassing a girl. So many things were happening in the Coimbatore area. So, but one thing, when we talk about digitalization, we have to talk about bank digitalization only, and mostly we will talk
Okay.
in favor of it. But
Okay, sir.
that is what it is. Good.
Sir?
Yeah. Next.
Sir, I like Lakhan Rathod's approach. Means when he enters second time, he give an example like a pandemic, which is on recent. Sir, it makes an impact more.
That's all.
No, I'm asking your consent. When we are entering at second time, should we should we try to give an example?
No, examples you can give if it is part and parcel of your argument, and even in the first example. But when you start examples, you will not have time to explain because you are given half a minute only. So every point should be relevant. Like Pallavi said, it is paperless. It is 24/7, and it is cheaper, like that. You can use the points specifically and tell about it. Okay.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, like you said that I was pointing out the negativity, so it will create a bad impact, sir. So I shouldn't be covering on negative
This topic requires you are talking in favor of it. Digitalization
in
is
favor.
really helpful. Otherwise, we cannot be sitting here and talking. So that way,
Yes, sir, definitely.
but while on the other hand, you want to mention about its negative points, you can say, I support this. Still, there are some negative points which have to be eliminated carefully.
Eliminated. Yeah, sure.
Something
Okay.
like that. Pallavi, conclude. Pallavi, conclude.
As per this discussion, we come to the conclusion that digitalization is really helpful in the banking. As so, there are though there are certain disadvantages, as my friend Vishnu just said, but we can eliminate those disadvantages by using some another digital technique. So there are more of advantages of this digitalization, and it is really helpful.
Subham.
Yes, sir.
Speak.
Should I conclude?
Yeah.
Yes.
Everybody is
I would-
concluding. Yeah.
I would like to conclude this group discussion by saying that digitalization has more advantages than its disadvantages, and we can reduce the disadvantages by adopting various awareness campaigns on the customers, by adopting various digital techniques. RBI has also initiated the ombudsman process.
Good. Thank you. Now I think
Thank you.
any time this will go, and shall we close it by ourselves and come again? That's better.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it is
Yes,
all.
sir. We will.
Yes, sir.
With the same link, na sir?
Yeah, same link. Please come in same link after half a minute.